Welcome back, guys. I'm Nathan.
I'm Seb.
And we are GeoPixels. Get in there.
So first of all, we want to say a massive congratulations to our friend Vicky and Kev.
We do.
They got married a few days ago. Unfortunately, because we're out here, we couldn't be there.
Make it.
So really sorry.
But we've seen photos and they're pucker. So we are back in Thailand. We're currently in Krabi.
Yeah.
We've been here now for the past few days. We've been catching up with Instagram, Facebook, and our website. Also
and editing as well.
Yeah.
A lot of editing because we were so behind.
So behind on internet back in the Philippines. It was horrendous.
We really want to thank Reno and Pin for kindly letting us stay in their villa. And it's absolutely gorgeous, guys, and we really feel that we need to give you a tour of this property because we don't do it very often. And they've also got a massive villa across the one that we were staying at, and it's a 6-bedroom villa, but you can also rent that. I'll leave all the links in the description, guys. Please go and check them out. So welcome, guys, to Ban Pinyan.
This is our open plan kitchen. We've been using it quite a lot for cooking, which is quite nice because we've been going out quite a lot for street food. So having something that we can actually come back to, cook, have some dinner nicely together, and then getting on with our work and everything.
Yeah, no, it's been really nice because, again, like Nathan said, we've been eating out almost every day.
Every day.
Actually, it feels a bit like home, doesn't it?
It does, it does. Look at the size of our bed. It is so comfy.
It's huge as well.
Unbelievable. Then as a bonus, we have a balcony. So we can sit out here, so we can bring me my coffee.
So guys, now we're off to Onang Beach, and that's the hub where all the activities are. So we're going to take you on a little scooter ride with Fiona and show you around. Don't we look sexy with those on? Look at that!
Hey, my little...
In the Navy! So here we are, guys. We're in Onang Seafront. And like we were saying with Nathan, it feels like a second home.
It does feel like a second home. This is the place I want to be. So I've been on to Seb about being here for so long.
Yeah. It's just, I've been here 6 times now. Nathan's his third, fourth time. And we know Onang pretty well.
Yeah.
So we've seen a few videos on YouTube about people not being too sure about Onang and Krabi in general. So we really want to do this place justice, guys. So we will take you around. The weather is not too great today because bear in mind it's raining season, it's just started.
Yeah.
So it's a bit cloudy today, but I'm hoping the sun will come out a little bit later. So we won't be showing you around Onang Seafront just yet.
Only because it comes more to life at night time, so it's more of an atmosphere and...
You've got all the bars, all the shops and everything.
Yeah.
So for now, really, what we're going to do, we're going to take you around on the islands, and for that you need to go to the ticket booth, and it's located right by the seafront at the end, and you can get your tickets there. You're not going to get mucked off with the prices or anything because it's set prices. So you don't have to haggle with the people or anything. You go to the ticket office,
say
get
where
your
you want to
ticket,
go, and then they just give you a hand over the ticket.
So today we're heading off to Railay Bay, which consists of Railay Beach, and it's probably one of the most stunning beaches in the world, to be honest with you. And
that's our top favourite one, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
To do.
And we're going to get a couple of tickets. So the tickets are 200 baht each, and that gives you a return. So it works out about £5 each for a return, yeah. So you can get back up to 6 o'clock. So now we're just going to go and get our tickets.
Thank you very much. So once you hand over your ticket to one of the staff members, they get you to go to one side just so they can get a queue up so we can get straight on the boat.
Yeah, because basically they're just waiting for more people to fill up the boat. Normally it takes about 5-10 minutes
Not
max
long
anyway. So we're now on Railay Beach, and it's part of the Railay Bay, which is about 3 different beaches.
Which people don't actually know about. They come straight here thinking this is just it, but there's actually 2 other beaches hiding away.
Yeah, no, because they've got all the restaurants and the shops here. So people just stay here and think this is it. but actually, yeah, like Nathan said, there's another 2 beaches that they're not as easy to get to, but they're definitely worth the trek because they're so nice.
They are nice.
So we are rather at a low tide at the moment. I don't know if you can see, guys. So we're going to walk around to the other beaches and go for a swim there because you'll be better suited because there'll be less boats and yeah. This is where you arrive. So your boat is here, and all you've got to do is walk through these little shops just here, and that's where you'll find a way to the nice beach on Railay West. I can't leave this one for 5 minutes without him doing any shopping, spending money. Okay.
I've got the wallet. Seb ain't got the wallet.
So this is where people are going wrong, guys. They get to this bit, so they've been walking about 5 minutes from the beach, the main beach, to here, and they're greeted with thick mud everywhere, and they go, do you know what, I'm going to go back to the main beach. However, if you carry on walking that way, that's it. If you carry on walking that way for another 5-10 minutes, that's where you get to the hidden beach, guys. So guys, if you want the best viewpoint on the whole of Railay, behind us is the way. So it's a bit sketchy the way you get up there.
It is really sketchy.
If you don't mind dying, then do it. No, I'm only joking.
No, we did it last year, didn't we?
Yeah, it's just absolutely stunning. Definitely worth doing. So they've got the viewpoint, and if you carry on a bit further down, then you've got that hidden lagoon thing. That is really good, guys. So
nice.
Highly recommend doing it, but it's a bit hard. After walking about 5 minutes through the jungles, through the caves, you get to this bar, which is still the way to the beach, but it's just absolutely amazing. Look at the rock formations everywhere. So here we are, guys, after a long 10-minute trek through the jungle and the caves.
He was losing his breath.
We're on the beach now, and this beach has been rated, I think, number 4, number 5 on the best beaches in the world, so it's definitely a must-do. So don't give up, don't just stay on the main beach, and come to this one.
Take a little wander and you get to here.
Now this beach is also famous for something a little bit special.
It is.
Just a bit of a warning though, it might be PG rated.
Yes.
We're now in the Pranang Cave, and it's very famous for something very unique. So this beach, guys, is probably one of the most dramatic and amazing beach you'll ever see, ever. Literally, the rock formations, the caves, it's just absolutely perfect, guys. And the water is so warm, we can't wait to go for a swim.
I know, I'm dying to go in. So dying to go in. As per usual, we've overstayed our visit, haven't we, Seb? No.
That one stayed in the seat, but it's for too long.
Yeah, but it's relaxing with the heat of the water.
And on the way, we've been seeing some really cool monkeys like that we've never seen before.
I've never seen monkeys
They
with
look like they've got little masks thing. I don't know, that was so cool.
It looks like they've got eyeliner on. It's quite funny.
So what are you splashing our hard-earned money on?
Well, I'm splashing out on both of us having an Oreo milkshake, which you agreed to when we came here. So there we go. Yeah, of course they will. How can you say no to an Oreo milkshake? I don't know.
Back on the public transport.
Number 83.
Number 83.
Ferry, getting the
local bus. So after our little adventure on the beach today,
which is very relaxing, if I must admit.
We got back to the hotel, to our apartment, and got changed,
had a shower,
freshened up, and we decided to come out again.
We did. But you might be thinking, where are we? Well, we don't know it, to be honest. It's our first time here, and we tried to find the Krabi market. Yeah. Unfortunately, it's closed on a Friday, Saturday, and it's only open on a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sorry.
Yeah. And today's a Wednesday.
And today is a Wednesday.
So last year we just got lucky. We found that place. It was like, oh great, night market.
So we'll try again and show you guys. But with this one, it's got a unique little twist to it. It looks very colourful. And
it's a fun fair at the moment.
It is.
Literally, we stumbled across it. Like, what the hell is this? It's a fun fair.
We kept seeing lights in the sky, and we're like, we might as well follow that because it must be where we're heading to anyway. But it turned out the opposite, and it definitely wasn't.
find a night market, not the night market, but to me, that looks good. There's food, lots of t-shirts to buy, and plenty of things to see.
So we just couldn't help ourselves. We got some pork sausages on a stick. We've had it before.
Yeah, they're amazing.
Really nice. The flavour is there as well.
And it's so cheap, guys. Absolutely insane. 20 baht, 50p for a stick. Look at the size of them.
The sausages are huge.
I can't wait. We're starving. We haven't had anything since this morning. Someone's feeling a bit adventurous.
I have no idea what it is, but all I read on the ticket, it was chicken and sausage.
Chicken and sausage.
You know what it looks like? It looks like at Halloween when you get the coated apples. You know them ones that you get the chocolate?
I don't think that is an apple coated in sugar.
But it does look like a pear from that side.
Bite it. Let's have a look at the inside.
Oh, it's bread.
So you bought bread on a stick?
Bread on a stick. That's good.
Guys, that's the beauty of the night market, the food market, because there's so many.
What the hell you're buying?
There's so many little things here. There is that as well. You don't know what you're buying because everything is in Thai. But there's so many little tiny things. They're so cheap. So you just go for one and then you try another one, and that's what I love about Thai food. You know, especially the markets, because you can buy so much food. Sorry, you can buy so much food for no at all.
Here he is. What have these been found? I've left him 5 minutes and he's got a whole basket of food.
I couldn't find you. You was busy with that woman with the drinks over there. So yeah, I can't fit any more.
What did you buy?
I've got a potato twist. So it's basically like a bag of crisps on a stick. That's really nice as it goes because they cover it in sort of a powdery, like a cheese powder sort of thing. Really good. Then I've got a stick of tofu. Love my tofu. And a good old sausage on a stick.
There we go. So we're just finished on binging on street food, which has been amazing.
Finished?
Okay.
I'm finished yet. I'm having a pudding. I'm having something sweet right now.
Why doesn't that surprise me?
We're just on our way now to see what they've got, but on the way to here, I found some donutty sort of thing. So we're going to try to find that stand again and give it a go. Nathan, so what are these?
They're shoes. You put your feet in and a little shoe.
Feet. This is shoes. This is what it's for, guys. Shoes. I've had it all tonight. So guys, I've finally got my donuts.
Yeah, I had to go for some as well.
So you went for 2 and I went for 3.
Yeah.
You know what, guys? I bloody enjoyed this.
It was such a good night, I must admit.
Yeah.
Like seeing the street food,
we came out
performances.
We came out to find Krabi Market, which wasn't even open tonight, and
we stumbled across this one.
Yeah, and it just goes to show that going off the beaten path sometimes you just find little gems that you didn't even know existed. So anyway, guys, this is it for us tonight. We're absolutely knackered. It's been a long day,
and we're gonna get an early night in just so tomorrow we're ready and refreshed for the journey ahead.
No, definitely, yeah. So again, thank you very much for watching, guys.
We do appreciate it, and just remember, guys, hit the notification bell so you're in the know when our videos get released.
And subscribe, guys.
Yes,
subscribe.
And don't forget Facebook and Instagram. Check us out on there.
Definitely. So thank you very much for watching, and also a big massive thank you to Reno and Pin for letting us stay in their absolutely amazing apartment.
They're stunning, amazing.
Big thumbs up to these guys. Again, all the links will be in the description. So we'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you. Bye. Oh, I didn't see you there. I'm just editing the vlog for next week.
So this looks like it's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to get in.